If you're trying to learn filmmaking or media production today, you're not lacking information. You're freaking drowning in it. There are thousands of videos promising to teach you cinematic lighting in 30 seconds, or why you absolutely need a new camera to film videos for your new TikTok account. But very few of them actually teach the craft, so you end up with a lot of scattered puzzle pieces. You know which LUT to buy, to make your project look like a Hollywood blockbuster, but your footage still ends up looking like a home video. You know what button to press, just not why you're pressing it. And honestly, that usually turns into imposter syndrome. You feel like everyone else gets it except for you. I want to fix that. I'm Gareth Wenzel. I've been a professional filmmaker, media practitioner, and a university professor for over a decade, which basically means I've spent about 10 years watching students make the exact same mistakes and then grading them on it. I created this channel, That Media Prof, to be the antidote to the chaos. Think of it as an open source textbook for my students and for you. On this channel, I'll teach you systems. You'll learn why a shot feels flat before you ever touch color, why lighting fails before you buy another light, and why audio post falls apart before blaming your software. I'll cover the workflows, the theory, and the professional mindset that bridges film school and media production concepts with real-world practice. The goal is simple: to move you from guessing to intentionality. So whether you're a student, a beginner filmmaker, or just someone tired of searching YouTube for the right answers, this is your safe space to finally understand how the stuff actually works. I'm Gareth, That Media Prof. Welcome to class. And please, don't smash the subscribe button. That sounds pretty violent and unnecessary. Just clicking it is fine. Need to suck in the guts, guys. We're the Ghostbusters.